Hello everyone, I am Francis in Miranday from BACE 3 and I am making a video about rectilinear motion under dynamics of rigid bodies. So first, let's define what is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion, a type of motion in which the body moves in a straight line or is moving in the direction parallel to its displacement. Like na object na nasa point A din ni-move siya sa point B na straight, kana na motion gitawag na og rectilinear motion. There are three types of rectilinear motion. First is uniform motion, a motion with constant speed or velocity. Second is uniformly accelerated motion, a motion with constant change in velocity or of uniform acceleration. Last is motion with non-uniform acceleration, motion with acceleration that is not uniform. Formulas of rectilinear motion. First is uniform motion. Uniform motion has one equation which is S equals Vt, where S is distance traversed or displacement, V is uniform velocity, and T is time. And next is uniformly accelerated motion and have three equation. First is S equals V naught times T plus 1/2 AT squared. Next is V squared equals V naught squared plus 2AS. Then last is V equals V naught plus AT, where S is distance traversed or displacement, V is final velocity, V naught is initial velocity, A is acceleration, and T is time. And last is motion with non-uniform acceleration and also have three equation. First is A equals dV over dt, V equals ds over dt, and last is V dV equals A ds, where A may either be a function of B or T or S, and B may either be a function of T or S. In the last discussion, we talked about definition and formulas of rectilinear motion. And now, I'm going to show on how to derive the equation of accelerated motion by using calculus method. So please keep watching and we can understand on how to derive the equation using calculus method. In the last discussion, I am demonstrating the deriving of equation of accelerated motion by using calculus method. And now I'm going to give two situations and try to answer it so we can fully understand it. First situation, the velocity of a particle which moves along the x-axis is given by v equals 2 plus t raised to 3 halves, where t is in seconds and v is in meter per second. The particle is at the origin is equal 0 when t is 0. A. Find the displacement when t is 4 seconds. And B. Find the velocity when t is 4 seconds. And C. Find the acceleration when t is 4 seconds. In the first situation, the first situation give a equation which is v equals 2 plus 5t 3 halves, and give a equation which is find the displacement when t is 4 seconds. So, pila daw ang displacement kung nasa time na 4 seconds. We all know that when this problem or situation have a motion with non-uniform acceleration, we use this formula, which is v equals ds over dt. Then cross multiply, ds equals v dt. Then next is integrate both of them. Sunod kay iato i-substitute ang value sa v which is 2 plus 5t raised to 3 halves kay para ato sila ma-integrate. Mauna ni ang atong bagong equation pagkaman sa integrate. 2t plus 2t raised to 5 over halves. Then naman tayo given sa t which is 4. Tong 4 ato ra isab para makuha na to ang distance. So ang atong distance kay 72 meters sa time na 4 seconds. Sa sunod gipangita, pila daw ang velocity niya kung ang iyang time kay 4 seconds. So sa situation naman tayo gihatag na equation sa velocity na motong 2 plus 5t raised to 3 halves. Na naman tayo t which is 4 seconds. Katong 4 seconds ato ra isab sa t. Na pagka ato na makuha ang iya velocity. So ang iyang velocity sulod sa 4 seconds na time kay 42 meter per second. Sa last na gitnita, find the acceleration when t is 4 seconds. So, naman kabang sa formula na E equals dv over dt. Di natay yatag na equation sa v which is 2t plus 5t 3 halves. Ang katong v na kuan value ato ra isab which is a equals d times 2 plus 5t raised to 3 halves over dt. Then ato sila i-derive. Ngano derivation man nato ikuan kay ang ipangita kay acceleration man na naghatag man siya og kuan equation sa v. Bali kung ang usa ka problem naghatag og equation sa distance nang ipangita kay v velocity or acceleration, ang ato buhaton ato i-derive. Then kung ang usa ka situation or problem na naghatag og equation sa acceleration or velocity na ang ipangita kay distance, ang buhaton na ato integrate. So mahintag na sabtan ra ang concept sa kung kanos mag-derive or mag-integrate. So natay pag equation which is 15 over 2 t raised to 1 half. Then naman tay value sa t which is 4. Ato ra isab ang 4 para makuha na to ang acceleration. Nang acceleration kay 15 meter per second squared. Correction then squared na. Then next is situation 2. Situation 2. Two cars A and B have a velocity of 25 meter per second in the same direction. A is 73.5 meter behind B. When the brakes are applied to car B, causing it to decelerate at a constant rate of 3 meter per second squared. A. In what time will A overtake B? B. How far will car A travel? C. How far will car B travel? In the situation 2, two cars A and B have a velocity of 25 meter per second in the same direction. Car A is 73.5 meter behind car B. When the brakes are applied to car B, causing it to decelerate at a constant rate of 3 meter per second squared. So para ato masabtan, maghimo ta og free body diagram. So nakaingon sa problem na nakuno duha ka car which is car A and B. Then na velocity na 25 meter per second. Then kanang 25 meter per second mao na la velocity nila car A of B. So ang car A daw kay behind sa car B og 73.5 meter. So sa unang gipangita daw, in what time will car A overtake car B? So makita man to sa free body diagram na ang car A daw kasi 73.5 meter behind sa car B. So ang daganon ang distance sa car B sa kung asa na point mo siya mavertical sa car A kay ingan ana siya na distansya. Then ang distansya sa car A kung asa niya para mavertical niya ang car B sa kana din na point is mauna siya kanang is sub A. So ang ato unang buhaton maghimo ta og equation. So sa unang equation kay para sa car A kay SA equals VT. Ngano kanimo na formula ang gikuha sa car A kay ang sa car A kay constant raman iya velocity. Wa man siya nag brake or wa man siya i-accelerate or decelerate. Constant raman iya velocity hantod ma-overtake niya si car B. So ang mo na ang kuan sa formula sa car A is A equals 25t. Then sunod na mo na equation kay para sa car B. Ang formula sa car B kay A sub B equals V initial times time plus 1/2 AT squared. Ngano kana man sa na formula ang gigamit sa para sa car B kay ni decelerate man daw siya, so iya velocity na bag-o over time. So mao na nang iya equation para sa car B. 25t plus 1/2 negative 3t squared. The final equation for A sub B is 25t minus 115t squared. So, nanaman tayo nanaman tayo duha ka equation na nabuo ato sila equate, which is A sub A equals 73.5 meters plus A sub B. Ngano 73.5 meters plus is B man kay si car B daw ahead man daw siya sa car A og 73.5 meters. So katong 73.5 meters ato i-add sa A sub B kay mamanay i-travel sa SA gikan sa original place niya padong sa kung kanos na overtake si car B. Sunod ato i-pagsubstitute ang atong nabuo na mga equation. Ang equation 1 kay 25t. Sunod kay ang equation 2 kay 25t minus 1.5t squared. So 25t equals 73.5 plus 25t minus 1.5t squared. Cancel the 25t, then transpose the 1.5t squared. So ang time kay 7 seconds. Mao din ni ang time sa car A na mabertikan niyang car B. So next question is how far will car A travel? So ang kita daw kay distance sa
car A na iya na travel usa na mabertikan si car B. So na naman tayo form equation sa car A na mao tong is sub A equals Vt. Then ang iya velocity daw kay 25. Then na naman tayo time which is 7. Ato to ipang sub. So ang iya distance kay 175 meters. Last question for situation 2. How far will car B travel? So, pila kuno ang distance sa car B na travel usa siya ma-overtaken sa car A. Na naman tayo equation na nabuo para sa car B which is V initial times T plus 1 half AT squared. Then, naman sa initial na velocity which is 25 meter. Then nakuha na sa natong time mo tong 7 seconds. Then ni-decelerate mo daw siya og 3 seconds 3 meters per second squared. So ato lang sila pang sub kay para makuha nato ang iyang distance. Ang iyahang distance na travel sa car B kay 101.5 meters. Mao na iya distance travel usa siya maabutikan sa car A. And that's the end of our discussion, and thank you for your attention. Hope you'll understand the discussion.